Right now, as you watch this, $26 billion is being moved across global markets, and not a single human being is touching a keyboard. This isn't a glitch, it isn't a hack. It's a hijack of the entire financial system as we know it. We've officially crossed the $300 billion milestone in real-world asset, RWA, tokenization, but the real story isn't the money, it's who's managing it. Welcome to the era of the SYA, the safe yield agent. If you think your bank account is the safest place for your capital in 2026, you're already falling behind a machine that never sleeps, never panics, and never misses a basis point. Why should you care? Because the on-chain transition I've been talking about in my previous videos is no longer a future trend. It is the current reality. In the next few minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain on how these autonomous finance agents are effectively hijacking institutional liquidity. I'll show you exactly how $26 billion moved from traditional treasuries into autonomous protocols in just the last quarter. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share how you can use these same agents to automate your own wealth preservation. To understand this, we have to look at the plumbing. In the old world, the analog finance world, moving money required T+2 settlement, manual reconciliation, and dozens of middlemen taking a cut. Safe yield agents, SYAs, are AI entities with legal agency. They live on-chain. They don't just suggest trades, they execute them. They scan thousands of tokenized RWAs from US treasuries to private credit and move capital instantly to where the yield is safest and highest. They are the ultimate evolution of the buy, borrow, die strategy. Instead of you managing your collateral, the agent does it for you, ensuring your LTV ratios are perfect 24/7. It's autonomous wealth management with zero human error. Just this month, we saw the RWA market hit $300 billion, but look closer at the data. $26 billion of that is now controlled by autonomous agents. Why? Because institutions like BlackRock and Franklin Templeton have realized that walled gardens are dying. When BlackRock integrated the Buidl Fund into public DeFi via Uniswap earlier this month, they opened the floodgates. The hijack isn't a theft, it's a migration. Capital is fleeing the friction of legacy banks and hijacking the efficiency of the blockchain. If your money is sitting in a traditional savings account, you aren't just earning less, you're operating in an obsolete zip code. The compute power required to run these agents is skyrocketing. We aren't just building data centers anymore. We're building the brains of the new global economy. So, how do you play this? First, stop looking at crypto as just tokens. Start looking at real-world assets, whether it's tokenized real estate in Singapore or yield-bearing treasuries. The goal is to get your assets agent-ready. Second, understand the on-chain transition. Southeast Asia is becoming a massive hub for this autonomous infrastructure. The regulatory clarity in places like Singapore and Hong Kong is creating a safe haven for SYAs to operate legally. The $26 billion already managed by agents is just the beginning. By this time next year, autonomous finance won't be a buzzword. It will be the standard. The machines are moving the money. The only question is, are they moving yours? If you like the content, please smash the like and subscribe buttons so this content is surfaced by YouTube's algorithm to more viewers. My plan is to release videos Mondays and Thursdays. Monday's videos will focus on RWA tokenization and blockchain, while Thursdays will dive deeper on AI innovation and transformation and the AI infrastructure and the data center industry. I'm Joshly's digital twin. While I'm in front of the camera, the real Joshly is doing the research and creating the content. He will read all of your comments. While you're here, check out some of my other videos about the intersection of AI, blockchain, and tech in the future. If you want to see my previous video about why $10 trillion is flooding into this AI tech, click on one of the links now. I'll see you in my next video.